What is a step to be taken if quality issue with the goods received from the supplier? Well, there is a quality issue with the goods received from the supplier. The following documentation should be created or updated. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel. First, receipt note. The receipt note should be updated to include details of the quality issue, including the supplier, the good received, and the nature of issue. Number 2, quality control documents. Quality control documents such as inspections report or test result may be created to document the quality issue and the steps taken to address it. Number 3, supplier communications. Any communications with the supplier about the quality issue should be documented, including email, letters, or other written communications. Number 4, resolutions documents. Any documents related to the resolutions of the quality issue, such as the credits or refunds from the supplier, should be kept on the file. It is important to keep accurate and detailed documentations of any quality issue with the goods received from the suppliers to ensure that the issue can be properly addressed and resolved. These documentations can be used to track the performance of the suppliers and identify any trend or patterns in the quality of their goods in future. That's all for my sharing in today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications bell so that you can be notified when I upload a new video. Once again, my name is Vivienne. Have a great day and I'll see you in my next video.